If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your situation. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your computer. Go to your system settings and verify that the microphone is enabled and set as the default recording device. Step 2. Adjust in-game voice chat settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the audio settings. Make sure that the voice chat feature is enabled and that the correct microphone is selected. Adjust the volume levels for both your microphone and voice chat output. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chats. Visit your computer manufacturer's website or use the driver update tool to ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect voice chat functionality. Test your internet speed and stability. If necessary, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection for better performance. Step 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including voice chat problems. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files and repair any issues that may be found. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve voice chat issues in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.